Let's step outside for an early morning nature walk where we'll have the chance to observe and appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. The gentle morning sun, the singing birds, and the fresh air are all waiting to greet us. It's a chance to connect with nature and appreciate the peaceful moments. And let's also explore how mindfulness can make this simple walking experience even more incredible. The sun is like my dear friend. Every morning when he rises, he is not just a ball of fire in the sky. He is my life giver. I eagerly anticipate the sun's rise. I long for those first rays as they touch the world around me. It's like a beloved arriving only to start my day. I feel like I should be right there to greet as he graces the earth. It's a special moment that warms my heart, and I cherish it like meeting a beloved friend. As he climbs, he removes impurities in the sky and in our mind. His influence is not just in the sky, he is in our daily life, guiding our rhythms and our daily activities. When he is high, we are active, handling the day's activities. And as he sets, we are winding down. He is like a silent choreographer of our day. Let's take a moment each day to greet him and feel his warmth. It's a simple but profound act of connection. As we walk, let's pay close attention to the sights, colors, sounds, smells, and sensations around us. Can you hear the birds singing? As you walk, take a moment to feel the fresh air gently touching your skin, the quality of each breath you take, and the warmth of the first rays of sun as they embrace you. They all guide us in experiencing the beauty of the present moment. Take a look at nature's artwork all around us, waiting to be admired. When you breathe in, you can smell the sweet scent of nature all around you. It's like a fragrant hug from the world outside, filling your senses with pure delight. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel any stress that you carry melting away. Look at this beautiful butterfly, a symbol of transformation. Look at this cow, the symbol of motherhood, nourishment, and purity. Even the smallest creatures have their own stories to tell. Pay attention to each foot as it lifts, moves, and touches the ground. It's like saying thank you with every step, showing our appreciation for the world that supports and sustains us. When you take mindful steps, you're not in a hurry. You're focused on the moment. This helps you feel more peaceful and less stressed, and it's a great way to enjoy a simple walk even more. Let's share a silent moment of gratitude for the wonders of nature. As your mindful nature walk comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on how you feel. Nature has shared her beauty with you. teaching the importance of being present in the here and now. Carry this mindfulness into your daily life and let nature's lessons stay with you, reminding you to appreciate each moment. Find a nearby natural spot, take a walk, and experience the wonders of mindfulness in nature.